Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where internet gets connected when the VPN connects, then please watch this video. Now, here's my suggestion. Use a better VPN, okay? Because top VPNs like Express and Nord and all of these do not exhibit this problem. But there are a lot of VPNs which are showing this problem. And the reason is that they do not use the right protocols. So, this is something that you'll have to change from the VPN's page itself. I will not guide you through the procedure because it's different for different brands of VPNs, but you need to use the following three protocols: OpenVPN TCP, L2TP, and PPTP. The next solution is to use a faster internet connection. So open fast.com and check the internet speed. If it is good enough, then everything is good. If not, then try to increase the bandwidth. The last solution is to use the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.